I've got this comment on my YouTube video that will AI take over accounting and finance jobs? Or what is the use of these qualifications when AI is going to take over these particular accounting and finance jobs? The straight answer to it is AI is not here to take over your jobs. In fact, it is here to improve your productivity and make you more efficient at work. Understand this. AI is not going to take your jobs. Those people who are not going to update themselves, who are reluctant to change, who do not want to learn the latest trending technologies and adapt towards it, those people are going to lose their jobs. But those people who are going to improve themselves, learn these particular things, learn what is AI, ML, according to the need of their own profession and domain. If you're an accounting and finance student or a professional working in that, if you learn AI, ML, business analysis related to your career, you will be improving. You don't need to learn all those stuff which is there trending in the market. Find out what is relevant to you, what is relevant to your career. Take that up, upgrade yourself, and you will have a better career ahead. These qualifications are going to give you knowledge, and you should keep on adding on skill sets demanded in the market. I hope that this video is highly helpful for you. If you want to learn the latest things related to the CMA US or the ACCA, then I have a separate program, business analysis for it, where I'll be teaching you data visualization, data mining, data cleaning, and also agile methodologies. So basically it is Power BI, Python for data analysis, Tableau for data visualization, and agile methodologies. These few things are really helpful for you. You can find it out, Google it, learn it by yourself. Or if you want to join into my program where I teach that, you can do that too. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.